The science behind this making of the ice cream is that we're making a solution using a solvent and a solute, and the solvent is the sugar and the solute is the milk and the vanilla essence.
Liquid turns into a solid. So we put ice in a bag, and then we put salt with the ice.
So that the ice can melt
Faster.
yeah.
And then we take a little bag and put the solution that Menzi and the Tabo just made inside the big bag, and then we ziplock it closed and we shake it around. Right, so then all the air around the little bag becomes cold, and the reason we shake it is so all the cold air gets distributed all around the small bag, so it freezes evenly.
The making of the ice cream just makes such a difference to the kids' understanding of the science behind the arrangement of particles and the changing between states. It's a hands-on way for them to actually see how a solid can be mixed into a liquid, how it can dissolve completely and become a solution. It just gives them something practical to hang all of their understanding on. So when we're talking about the theory of something, I can remind them, oh, do you remember when we put the sugar into the milk? What was it that happened? It just makes their learning a little bit more meaningful.